Hello everyone, welcome back to Autotrend TV. This is Viprajesh from CAI Industries Private Limited, Mahindra showroom in Coimbatore. I am here with the brand new Mahindra XUV700 AX7 top spec variant with the luxury pack. I am going to explain what are the details on the exterior of this car to make it a huge presence in the market today. So let's go on for a detailed look.
So you better start running. No, you can't control. Feel it in my bones. I'm coming for the. I'm coming for the throne. I'm coming for the throne.
To begin with, the Mahindra XUV700 is based on the very same cheetah-inspired design, the first generation iteration of which we had already seen on the XUV500. You can clearly see the evolution of the very same cheetah-inspired design in each and every angle and design element on this XUV700. First up at the front, there is the brand new massive signature grille, which is a meaner and more modern version of the 6-slat grille. Taking a closer look, you can see that these are actually twin chrome slats, which Mahindra have designed in such a way that the slats on the edges flow into the LED DRL design. And yes, the Mahindra XUV700 is the first car to feature the new Twin Peaks logo, which is also going to be seen on future Mahindra SUVs. While the XUV700 looks radical and unique in every color, the design details and elements are highlighted in this dazzling silver color. These twin streak LED DRLs are inspired by the whiskers of a cheetah and are available from the AX3 variant. That said, the AX5 and the AX7 variants of the XUV700 offer all LED headlamps with LED fog lamps. The designers have also integrated an aero curtain just next to the front fog lamp enclosures, which lets air flow through the front bumpers, directing them onto the wheels for better airflow and aerodynamics. These design touches also reduce wind noise. The signature LED DRLs and the sequential indicators are available from the AX5 variant onwards, while all variants of the XUV700 look almost the same from the side profile. As I already said, the design elements and the creases are better highlighted in this dazzling silver shade, lending a more muscular appeal to the SUV. It is this top-spec AX7 variant which gets these dual-tone 18-inch alloy wheels as standard, wrapped in MRF Wanderer 18-inch tires. While the overall design has been smoothened out compared to the XUV500, lending the side profile a more mature appeal, the creases and haunches are unmistakable in terms of design. While all variants of the XUV700 get these smart door handles which sit flush with the body panel when not in use, the auto-deploying function is available only on the top-spec variants. The signature arrowhead-shaped LED tail lamps are available as standard across all variants. However, the sequential LED indicators are available only on the top-spec AX5 and AX7 variants. The overall rear profile is also an evolution of the XUV500 while appearing more mature and sharper. Both the front and rear bumpers get silver finished skid plates as standard, with the rather interestingly designed reflectors available as standard on both sides. That said, all variants of the XUV700 offer only 2 reverse parking sensors on the rear bumper. All variants also get the rear windshield wiper washer with defogger except for the base level MX. The reverse parking camera is mounted right below the Twin Peaks logo, and from this angle you can see that Mahindra have sharpened the overall design, offering tighter lines and sharper angles. The angular rear spoiler gets extensions which flow into the blackened C-pillars, and while they appear to be normal when viewed on from the back directly, the spoiler design itself is radical and very sharp. That said, only the higher spec variants get the chrome window lining, and only the Adrenox series AX3, AX5 and AX7 variants get the Adrenox badging on the C-pillars. Highlighting the SUV stance, the XUV700 also offers 200 mm of ground clearance. While all variants get these silver finished roof rails as standard, it is only the top spec AX5 and AX7 variants which get the massive panoramic sunroof and the shark fin antenna. Mahindra also claimed that this panoramic sky roof is the largest in its segment, when compared to rivals such as the MG Hector Plus, the Hyundai Alcazar or the Tata Safari. It is also a dual-pane panoramic skyroof by design. And while all variants get the electronically adjustable ORVMs, the auto-folding function is available only on the Adrenox series variants. Finally, let's talk about dimensions. The Mahindra XUV700 has a length of 4695 mm, which is longer than the Tata Safari. That said, the overall width is 1890 mm, while the XUV700 is 1755 mm in height. However, it has the longest wheelbase in its segment at 2750 mm. So, along with the muscular looks, the XUV700 has also got the size to make its presence felt in the market. Stay tuned for our further XUV700 series videos. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.